Hey dear student, today we are going to solve various MCQ problems related to relation and type of relation. So, if question number 1 said that if a set A having element 1, 2, 3 and a relation R such that which is a subset of A square means A cross A, B such that R having order pair 1 1 and 2 2, then R is dash. Okay, so here we draw the graph of A cross A, means A having element 1 2 3, A having element 1 2 3, where a relation R is defined such that R has a order pair 1 1 and 2 2. So in first option it is a reflexive relation. We have to check whether it is reflexive or not. For reflexive, we know that each element of set A should map with itself. Each element of set A should map with itself. Here 1 is mapped with 1, 2 is mapped with 2, but 3 is not mapped with 3. So it is not a reflexive relation. Now come to second option, that is B, which tells us that it is a not symmetric one. For symmetric relation, we know that condition 1 says if AB order pair, AB type order pair is present, then we check if BA is present or not. Okay, if for the symmetric relation we check if AB type order pair is present, then must BA order pair is there in relation. Here relation is given, that is 1 1 2 2. Here AB type order pair is missing. Here AB type order pair is missing. So condition 2 says if AB type pairs missing, then we ultimately called as symmetric. Okay, so first condition says that if we have to check whether it is symmetric or not. First condition says that if AB type order pair is present, then there must be BA type order pair should present in the relation. If these two order pair is present, then we call symmetric one. If one order pair is missing, then it is ultimately called a symmetric one. Here AB type order pair is missing, so we do not need to check whether BA type of order pair is present or not. We simply say that it is a symmetric one. Okay, symmetric one. So Option B said it is not symmetric. Now option C said it not transitive. For transitive, then third option C says not transitive. For transitive, we know that first condition says if AB and BC is present, then CA must present. For transitive, condition 2 says if AB and BC is missing, then it is called transitive. Okay, so here relation R having order pair 1 1 and 2 2. Here there is no AB, there is no BC, so it is a transitive one. Okay, so option D says both transitive and symmetric but not reflexive, so option D is right. Okay, similarly question 2 says if a order pair says if a set A having element A, B, C and a relation R defined as A, A B order pair and B order pair on A each dash. So for symmetric we check what each element of set A should map with itself, that is A map to A, B map to B, C map to C. So here A map to A is present, A map to A is present, but B map to B is absent, C map to C is absent, so it is not a reflective one. Okay, for symmetric we go to the condition 1 and condition 2. If AB is present, then we look whether BA is present or not. If BA is present, then we call it a symmetric. If BA is absent, then we call it is a non-symmetric. But if AB is absent, then we ultimately called as a symmetric one, that which is written in the condition 2. So here AB is present and BA also present. Here AB is present and BA also present, so it is symmetric one. So only symmetric is written here in option B. So we look whether option C or D, which one is most correct. So in option C only tell us that only symmetric relation. For symmetric we know that condition 1 says that if AB BC is present, then we check whether CA is present or not. If CA is present, then we call it is a transitive one. If CA is absent, then it is not a transitive relation. For condition 2, if AB and BC is missing, okay, if AB and BC is missing, then it is ultimately called a transitive one. Okay, here in the order pair A order pair is present, AB is present and BA is present. Here AB is present but BC is missing. BC is missing. So according to condition 2, if either one of is missing, AB and BC, out of the two, if one is missing, then it ultimately become a transitive one. So it is both a transitive and symmetric one. That is option D is correct. Okay. Now come to question 3. If A is a set whose element A, B, C and the relation are equal to order pair AB, BC on set A is dash. Here there is no identical relation or order pair, means each element of set A is not mapped with itself, that is AA, BB, CC order pair is missing, so it is not a deflective one. Here now come to the option 2. Here AB and BA is present, so it is a symmetric one. In option 3, here AB order pair is present and BA order pair is present, but CA order pair is missing, so it is not a transitive one. For equivalent relationship, want to note says for equivalent relationship, if a relation satisfy symmetric reflexive and transitive, then it is called equivalent relation. Here it is only a symmetric relation, so this option also wrong. So option B is correct one. Okay. Now come to question number 4, which says on a set A having element A, B, C, which relation is neither symmetric not transitive but reflexive, means we have to check which out of the 4 options we have to check which of the 4 options is reflexive. Okay, for reflexive we know that each element of set A map with itself, so A map with A, B map with B, C map with C, so AB order pair is required, BP order pair is required, and CC order pair is required. So check out of the 4 options which carries this order pair. In option A, AB and BC is present. Here AA, BB and CC order pair is missing, so it is not correct answer. In option B, AA order pair is present, BB order pair is present, but CC order pair is missing, so it is not a reflexive one. In option C, AB order pair, AA order pair is present, BB order pair is present, CC order pair is present, so it is the right answer. Okay. Now consider question number 5. We say that on set Z the relation is defined by a minus n greater than or equal to 7 is dash. Here set Z means set of integers which has a relation whose each order pair is satisfies this condition. Means if we consider set Z whose element all negative number 0 and all positive number. Okay, for reflexive relation we know that each element of set Z is map with itself, so resulting order pair are like that. So for reflexive relation R must have this order pair. Now we have to check whether this all order pair satisfy this condition or not. If they are satisfy this condition, then we called it is a reflexive relation. So condition says m minus n is greater than equal to 7. So we check for this order pair -2 minus -2 7 equal to -2 plus 2 7 0, which is not greater than equal to 7. So it is not a reflexive relation. So now look into the option. First option says it is a reflexive but neither symmetric or transitive. So it is said that it is a reflective, so this option is wrong. Now we check for symmetric. For symmetric relation R must have order pair like that -2 1 -1 2 1 2 2 1 like that and so on. Okay, so now we have to check this all order pair whether satisfy this condition or not. If they satisfy this condition, then it is a symmetric relation. Okay, so we have to check whether it is symmetric or not. Let we choose this and this two order pair m minus n greater than 7 for that order pair and m minus n greater than 7 for that order pair, like that. -2 minus -1 7 like -2 plus 1 greater than 7 to -1, which is never be greater than or equal to 7. Similarly, for this order pair it also not satisfied, so it is not a symmetric one. So it is not a symmetric relation. So we check in option 2, it said that it is a symmetric one, so it is also a wrong answer. For transitive we have order pair like that -2 -1 -1 1 and 1 -2 and so on. Now we check whether they satisfy or not. If we check, then we get they are also not satisfy m minus n greater than or equal to 7 condition, so it is not a transitive one. So option D is correct one, which says it is neither reflexive nor symmetric and non-transitive. Okay.